Good morning. Welcome to our next session in geography on resources. In the previous session, we have learned what are resources. Resources are things around us which are of use to us. We have also seen the different types of resources. In this session, we are going to learn about conserving the resources. It is necessary to use resources carefully and with prudence as they form our life support system. The two important words are resource conservation and sustainable development. What is resource conservation? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. And what is sustainable development? Balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for future is called sustainable development. Only sustainable development will ensure the well-being of the future generations. As said earlier, it is necessary to use natural resources carefully and with prudence as they form our life support system. The four golden R's of conservation are reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse. What is reduce? Consume less and do not waste. What is reuse? Use a product or resource as many times as you can. What is recycle? Changing a product into another usable material. What is refuse? If you do not need a thing, refuse it. Some principles of sustainable development. First one, respect and care for all forms of life. Means we should value different forms of life like plants, animals, or our fellow human beings. We should take care of them. Second, improve the quality of human life. We can improve the quality of life by using modern techniques and equipments in our daily life. Example, using LPG instead of firewood. Third one, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. We should take measures to conserve the forests around us and keep the water bodies from pollution. Fourth one, minimize the depletion of natural resources. Minimize the use of coal, fuel, electricity, etc. Example, switch off fan and light when it is not needed. Fifth, enable communities to care for their own environment. Educate ourselves and the people around us how to take care of trees, plants, how to keep our surroundings clean. With this, we end this session. Please do the assignment that is attached.